Assalamualaikum, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will make one more video, and the question I have taken from 13A exercise chapter number 13 D1 mathematics, and the question is question number 8 from intermediate level. The question is the perimeter of the rectangle field is 70 meter. Its length is 15 meter longer than its breadth. The field is surrounded by the concrete path. The grey shaded area showed at the concrete path. As shown in the figure, find the area of the path. So we will find out the area of the path. First of all, we will draw this picture on the paper, and then we will write how many things given in the question and what we have to find in this video. So let's start. I have drawn a rough sketch on my paper. So the given things in the question is perimeter is equal to 70 meter and the length is 15 meter longer than its breadth. Suppose the breadth is 5. So what is the length? Add 15, the length become 20. So suppose the breadth is, let's suppose the breadth is 10. So what will be the length? Length is 15 meter longer than breadth. Suppose the breadth is 10. So the length become 25 because we will add 15. So you will get the length. So first I will find out the length and breadth of the rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Let suppose breadth is equal to x. Let's suppose the breadth is equal to x. So what will be the length? Length is 15 times longer than breadth. So length is equal to x plus 15. Whatever the value of x, we will just add 15. You will get the length. Okay, now putting these values in the formula of the perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, which is equal to 2 into L plus B. So the perimeter of rectangle is 70 meter, which is given in the question, and now putting the values 2 as it is. The length is x plus 15 and the value of breadth, B for breadth is x. X plus 15 is the value of length because length is 15 meter longer than breadth. The value of breadth is x. Now simplify it. 2 as it is, x plus x, 2x plus 15, then 2 multiply inside, you will get answer 4x plus 30, 70 as it is. Take 30 on the other side, you will get 40. 4x, 40 divides 4, which is equal to 10 is equal to x. 10 meter is equal to x, and x is the breadth. So the breadth is, the value of breadth is 10 meter. And what is the value of the length? Length is equal to x plus 15. So I will put the values of x in this formula and you will get the length. Look at this. I will find out the length. Length is equal to x plus 15. And the breadth is 10 plus 15, which is equal to 25 meter, and this is length of the rectangle. 10 is the breadth and 25 is the length of the rectangle, which is shaded by the green color. Now I will mention the values. The length is 25 meter and the breadth is 10 meter. Okay, we are having one more rectangle which is greater than the inside one. So what is the breadth what will be the breadth of this rectangle? We will find out. How we can find out? Look at this. The 10 meter is here and the path is 5 meter in width. The width of this path is 5 meter. So it is also 5 meter from this side. 5 meter. The width of this path is also 5 meter from this side. So 5 plus 10 plus 5, the whole length become 20 meter. This is the length of big rectangle. This is the length of the big rectangle, 10 meter, and this is 5 meter, again 5 meter, 5 meter, 10 meter plus 5 meter is equal to 20 meter. Now I will find out the length of this rectangle. As we know that the length of the inside rectangle is 25 meter, and now it is extended. The path is 2.5 meter from this side, and it is also 2.5 centimeter from this side. 2.5 meter, not centimeter, meter. So what will be the length? 2.5 meter, 2.5, it becomes 5 meter plus 25. The whole length, the whole complete length of this rectangle become 25. The complete length of this rectangle becomes 25 plus 5, 2.5, 25 plus 2.5, the answer will become 30 meter. So the length of the big rectangle is 30 meter and the breadth is 20 meter. Now we will find the area of this big rectangle. So area of the big rectangle is L cross B, using the same formula for the rectangle, 30 multiplied by 20, 600 meter square, and this is the area of the big rectangle. So now I want to find out the area of this path, paved path, this path which is surrounded the park inside it. So how I can find out? Just subtract the smaller area of the smaller rectangle from the bigger one. How we can find out? Just subtract this area, just subtract the green shaded area from the big one rectangle. You will get the answer of this shaded part, the brown shaded part. You will get the area of the paved path. Now I will solve it. Sorry, we have forgotten to find the area of a small rectangle. The area of small rectangle L cross B, the length is 25 and the breadth is 10, and you will get answer 25 meters square. And the area of big rectangle is 600 meters square. So how we can find out the area of this paved path? Just subtract the smaller area of the triangle from the bigger one. You will get the paved path area. Area of paved path is equal to 600 meters square minus 250, 350 meters square. So this is the desired answer. I hope this video will help you a lot to find the area of paved path which surrounded the park inside it. So I will show you the summary of this question. This is the summary of our question. Actually our question is this: we are having we want to find out the area of this paved path. Actually it is a park, it is a park, and there is a, you can say, track path. Okay, and we have to find out the area of this one. So how I can find out? It has become complicated for me, but if we will observe, so we can see there is two rectangle. The one is the bigger one. So the length of the rectangle is 2.5 meter, 25 meter, 22.5. It is 30 meter, and the breadth is 10 meter is the breadth of the park, and 5 meter is the width of the paved path. So sum up all three numbers, you will get the width is equal to 20 meter. So first I will find out the area of the complete shape, then I will find the area of the smaller rectangle, and then remove inside path. So what I can do? Just remove the bigger one, just remove the smaller one from the bigger one. Look at this. I will cut it. I have just cut it this path, and you will minus it. When you are solving your question, you will just subtract it, the smaller rectangle, the area of the smaller rectangle which is when you will multiply, which is 250 meter square, and the bigger one is 600 meter square, and when you will subtract 250 from the big rectangle, you will get the area of the paved path. I hope this video help you to find the area of the paved path. So inshallah we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.